Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're talking about how to install Odoo 18 on Ubuntu 22.04. First, update your system with sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade-y. Now install dependencies using the code shown on the screen. Install PostgreSQL with sudo apt install PostgreSQL-y. Then create a PostgreSQL user by using the code sudo-u postgres create user-s Odoo. Now install wkhtmltopdf using sudo apt install wkhtmltopdf-y. Clone Odoo 18 by using the command shown on the screen. After that, create and activate a virtual env, then install requirements using pip3 install-r requirements.txt. Further, create the odoo.conf file and set up parameters like add-ons, path, and db info. Finally, run Odoo with the command shown on screen to start the server. That's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe.